Have you ever wanted something so deeply that it already feels like it's yours? But the moment things start lining up, fear creeps in. You think, am I really ready? What if I go too soon? What if I miss? And suddenly, what felt exciting starts to feel heavy. Here's the truth most people never hear. Wanting something doesn't mean it's time to act. Sometimes it means it's time to prepare. Fear doesn't appear because something is wrong. Fear appears because you are close. Close to change, close to expansion, close to something bigger than who you have been. And when the universe starts opening doors, your mind panics and says, what if I'm not ready yet? But here's the mistake we make. We think preparation means action, packing, moving, deciding, forcing. But that's not preparation, that's the impatience. When opportunities begin to line up, the wrong question is, should I go or shouldn't I go? The right question is much quieter. Do I like how this thought feels? Not, is everything figured out, but does this feel expansive or tight? Because alignment always feels like relief. Misalignment always feels like urgency. If you feel rushed, pressured, or afraid of missing out, you are not late, you are early. Here's the something uncomfortable but freeing. When you move before you are vibrationally ready, you lose leverage. You stop allowing the universe to help and start doing everything the hard way. You say, I'll go anyway. I'll figure it out later. I don't want to miss my chance. But that's not trust. That's the fear wearing ambition's clothes. If you go before your inner alignment is complete, you don't get ease. You get effort. Preparing doesn't mean feeling in details. It means letting go of them. It means going general. Not how will this happen? Who will be involved? When exactly will it work out? But how do I want this to feel? Because everything you want, every place, every relationship, every experience exists because of the feeling you believe it will give you. So prepare the feeling, let the universe handle the form. When you stop obsessing over specifics, something magical happens. Clarity replaces confusion, certainty replaces fear, patience replaces urgency. You stop asking what should I do and start knowing. When it's time, nothing will stop me. And that's how you know alignment has arrived. Not because everything is planned, but because nothing feels forced. If what you want has not manifested yet, it doesn't mean you failed. It means you are still preparing. And that's not something to be ashamed of. You're always becoming ready for the next version of your life. You don't need to be ready for everything, only for what's next. Ease, comfort, confidence, trust, those are the signals. You don't need to chase what you want. You don't need to force timing. And you don't need to prove you are ready. When alignment is complete, action becomes inevitable. And when that moment comes, nothing and no one will be able to stop you. Until then, prepare the feeling, trust the unfolding, let the universe do the heavy lifting.